You don't need motivation. You need a rebuild. Let me ask you something. When was the last time that you looked in the mirror and said, I am proud of the man that I see? I'm not surviving. I'm not getting by. I'm winning. If it's been a while, then this message is for you. My name is Zurian Bennett. Most people call me Mr. Z. I'm a Marine. I'm an author. I'm a coach. I'm a father and a husband. But more importantly, I'm a man who has had to rebuild his life from the ground up more than once. And I learned something. Strong men don't avoid setback, they master comeback. Right now, many good men are tired mentally, physically, and spiritually. You provide, you protect, and you perform on a regular basis. But inside, you are drained, you're distracted, you're disconnected. Not because you're weak, but because nobody gave you a system. Nobody provided you with the tools necessary to help you move to the next stage of your life. That's why I created the rebuild process. Not motivation, not hype, a real framework to help you to reset your mind, rebuild your discipline, restore your confidence, and reclaim your purpose. This is how men go from go from stuck to unstuck, go from stuck to unstoppable. And today I invite you to join us at mrz.com. This isn't just a website, it's a training ground for men who are ready to level up. Coaching, programs, accountability, community, everything that you need to rebuild. So let's be honest. Nobody is coming to save you, but you don't have to do it alone. And that's what we provide. We provide you with those tools, with that community, with that information to get you back on track. So if you are ready to stop surviving, start rebuilding, go to mrz.com, mrzinspires.com. So www.mrzinspires.com. Again, www.mrzinspires.com. And let's get to work. Thank you, and you guys have a great day.